You're planning to get a Type R, but you're worried your partner, husband, wife, boyfriend or girlfriend. You're worried that they might be unhappy, disagree or even get mad. So, how you gonna do?
Hey, do you wanna come round now? Say around 5:30. Stay until the morning, then I carry on and live my hollow life. Did you really take my soul? Clean and then you left a hole. Shot me in the late night, bleeding out in plain sight, running with the heart you stole. You got your desires, always starting fires. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep, I'm hiding Michael Myers. Building an empire, you were rising higher. Standing tall but
How to get it and still get the peace at home?
dragging me under the table. Hell in her eyes, she wants to put me in a hole. Beautiful liar, holding me up.
High performance car, 0 to 100 within 6 seconds. Fastest front wheel drive car you can get. Are you planning to say this? No way. They don't care about this. First, let them know why you want a sport car. Owning a sport car is always your dreams when you were young. By owning one, you get joy and satisfaction. In short, life happiness. But then, here is what they might think. You could get AMG, M or RS. They are fast, luxurious and most importantly, automatic. Let's face it, they might see the Type R is not practical, it's manual and also it's not cheap. Their preferred choice is always an automatic. Now, we turn things around. Type R might be expensive, but still not as costly as others. Maintenance wise, everyone knows Honda is cheaper. Not only that, it built to last forever, which gives it a very high resale value. Long-term investment, yes. Manual transmission, it provides a unique and engaging driving experience. Automatic car simply cannot match. Even better is that you can spend quality time with your partner, teaching, practicing together. In return, bonding. Whether you have children or not, it's as spacious as any other daily car. 4 doors, a very big boot space, and the seats can be folded too. When you are getting one and things that you need to know, you can check my video here. There you have it. I hope these tips help. And remember, communication, compromise are key.